Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So this is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you how I am doing in my January 22 calendar journal. So I hope you've all started. So I just wanted to show you the first sort of like week that I have written in here. So I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. So I've actually marked the days off with some little sequins. So I've just stuck some little purple sequins in there, which I thought looked really pretty, which I'm loving. So I've still got some room in my pocket. I haven't popped anything else in there yet. This was the first day, so I did show you this one. I ordered some of the photo paper, which is here. I thought I'd just show you, which is the Canon. You get 100 sheets in here. They are 200 GSM. I'm not sure what that is in pounds. They are the 4x6, which is the 10 by 15 centimetre. Loving them. Really good. So they're really good. So I've ordered those. I managed to print off the picture of Jessie there, and I just sewed it onto another piece of paper and stuck it on. Got one of the little paw prints from the add-on kit, and then I've made a little pocket underneath here because I had some extra photos of the beach, which I have just popped in the little pocket underneath because I had a little bit of a little space there. So I just popped another little vellum pocket on there, added a little bit of seam binding down there, and I think it looks really nice. So this is the other pages that I have done. Loving this one. I think it looks really pretty. And what I've done, I've actually popped them into little pockets. So I've got my little journaling card there, popped it into a little pocket. So I've just made some little vellum pockets. This one here, my daughter sent me some lovely pictures of the girls here, so I printed those off. I've actually printed them on from my phone, and I've made in on my phone. You can use sort of like make little collage pictures up, which makes them a lot smaller. So they just come out really lovely, and then you can just cut them up and put them on there instead of using a whole one per picture. And these come out nice and small, so they look really good, and they fit in there perfect. So that's lovely. And also I've done, I've just written on a piece of paper like this, just sort of like almost like scrap papers, and pop them in there. So a little note in there. This is on another little one of the little journaling cards from the kit. Another beautiful picture of the beach. This one I've got some of my rose trim in there. And I've just popped this little one in here and written on here, so you've got lots of room to write. So it all depends how many days you want to put on a page, but mine seem to be working out as sort of like 4 days per page, which I think looks really nice without having it too cluttered, and actually seeing the writing. These ones you can hear, but I've managed to fit another 4 on here, and made a little pocket. So I've just put the Friday the 7th. Andy and myself, we went and did a bit of shopping, and then we stopped and had a cup of coffee. So these are the little little thingies from the add-on kit as well, and then I've just popped that in there. So I'm loving this. I really am loving doing this. Added the butterflies. This is the page we did in the video. That's another little one there. That was yesterday's. I haven't done anything for today because I normally do it on the evening. But what I wanted to do, so we were sort of like on a green theme here. So this side was sort of like a purple theme, which looks lovely. And this side is like a green theme. There'd probably be about four pages, maybe 5 pages per month, or sides, not pages, sides. So you can easily fit in 2 or 3 months in here, unless I add lots more sort of like photos or anything like that. But what I'm going to do for this one on here, which is today's, which is the 10th, I've made another little pocket, a little vellum pocket, which I've just taken a piece like this, folded over the top, whichever way, like that, and then I've just gone round it with the sewing machine, and like that, and then I'm just going to stick that on. This is one of the tags that I did in the video yesterday, day before yesterday, I'm not sure. So I'm going to use that, so that will fit in the pocket. like that, and I've just added a little bit of the seam binding which will match here. So then we've got all that to write on, and if you wanted any more writing, or if you have lots to say, you can have another piece of paper or another tag. I've got some little plain tags here as well, which I'm loving, so they can just pop into your journal. So I will stick that down. I have got the Monday that I cut off the little kit, and I've got this green tab because I think that will go really well. So I'm just going to glue that onto there like that. I'm going to just use a little bit of the Fabri-Tac like this. So it's quite a nice thing, I think, to do. I think obviously mine are going to be done in the evening, so I can write in what I've been doing throughout the day, and then I can just make the little pocket. It's quite nice to do at the end of the day, just finish off, have a little break, sit down, make a little pocket, or write down or decorate or do something in your journal, which is lovely. So I'm going to pop that on there. I've got the number 10, which is today. I've got a little bit of scrap fabric which I'm just going to pop on there like that with the number 10, and that can just stick on there, so then we know. And then I just need to find out where, and have that sticking out the top, doesn't really matter, where we would like to stick this. So we want to go in line with these little dots there, so let me just mark that off. I'm going to go round this with my glue, just sticking it in with Fabri-Tac. Now you don't have to use vellum pockets, you can obviously use scrap pieces of paper or any nice paper, whatever you like to use. Just stick that there. But I like the vellum because obviously if we've got some decorated tags and things like that, you can actually see what's in it. But like I said before, I want to put lots more photos in here as well. Don't have to be huge, but just little memories. So that will fit in there like that, which is lovely. Then I've got some little flowers which I thought I would just pop along the bottom like that. So that's pretty. So I hope you are having fun doing yours. I have seen them in the Facebook group and they are looking lovely. So that can just go on there like that. So the next pocket could go here, it could be a smaller one, or I might even only put 2 on this page. We shall see. Can pop it here. We shall have to see. Depends how much I have to say, doesn't it? But I am loving these and I think they look really, really pretty. So there we go, guys. That is a sort of like a quick peek into how I've sort of like started it off, really. I've done it, but I'm just loving the little pockets, and I think it almost looks like a little advent calendar, doesn't it? So where they're all numbered and you just have a look and you can just go back and have a little peek of what you did that day. I think it's really lovely, and have a little peek because it's lovely to have my grandchildren in there. I need to get some of my grandsons as well to pop in here, so just to see how they've grown. And I think that's really lovely. So there we go, guys. That's my calendar journal. That's the first week of doing it. So I hope you're having fun. I hope you're giving it a go. I'm going to add January's and February's into the end of this month's Friday freebies on Etsy as well. So the Friday freebies will contain January's and February, so you can start February as well at the end of this month, so we can all do it together. So I sort of need to sort of like add 2 a month. I will work it out so we have them before anyway, if you're not in the Facebook group. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all safe and well. You take care and have a lovely rest of the day. Alright, guys, bye bye.